Hey guys, it's Lori Gibson with Black Cats Travel here. I just wanted to let you guys know about what's up with my website. I'm going to be making a slight adjustment with my free offer. Right now, I have the 5 top ways of touring the world as my free download for you guys to grab. But after July 4th, I'm going to be removing that. And I'm going to be replacing it with something along saving your money. I'm not sure what the title is going to be yet. But saving your money for your dream honeymoon or vacation or bucket list trip. I've already got $5,000 saved on just 5 different things I've written down. So I'm looking forward to sharing the ways that you can save money on your next trip. So I just want to let you guys know. So grab that 5 top ways of touring the world. Take care. Bye.